videos about my weekly giveaway. Each week I give away an internet marketing gift, and it's a gift. There's no strings attached. It is 100% free. No email is required. And this week's gift is about sales funnels. It's the Sales Funnel How-To Guide. It's really going to help you. It's going to include help with what you want to sell. It's going to get into some of the basics. It's going to help you with things like ClickBank. It's going to help you with affiliate marketing. It's even going to help you with keywords. And of course, it's especially going to help you with the sales funnel. I want to talk more about that in just a moment. Just want to remind you that if you're interested in making money online as an affiliate or growing a YouTube channel, this channel's for you. Consider subscribing. Hit that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, and ring the bell so that you're not going to miss videos like this. I want to get back to the Sales Funnel How-To Guide, but first let me share a quick story with you that I know you're going to love. This is about Sunday morning, and Pastor Williams is asking his congregation if anyone would like to express praise for answered prayers. And Bonnie stood up and she said that a couple of months ago, my husband Tom was in a horrible bicycle accident and his scrotum was completely crushed. Well, our church was a little embarrassed, let's say, to hear that word, but they sat quietly and listened to her testimony. And she went on to say that Tom was in excruciating pain and the doctors weren't sure they could help him. And you could kind of hear a gasp from all the men. My poor Tom could barely walk. Every movement caused him pain. We all prayed while the doctors operated. They managed to kind of piece everything together. They were able to wrap wire around everything to kind of keep everything in place. Now, after 2 months, our prayers have been answered. Tom is on his way to complete recovery. Amen, and thank the Lord. Well, Pastor Williams thanked Bonnie for her testimony and asked if there were anyone else that would like to express praise for answered prayer. And a man stood up rather slowly and said, "I'm Tom. I am also thankful for the Lord's answer to our prayers." The whole church began to applaud. When the applause subsided, Tom said, "I just want to add that the word is sternum." Let me get back to our giveaway. Our weekly giveaway is the Sales Funnel How-To Guide. And as I had mentioned, it's going to help you especially with your sales funnels. Sales funnel is supposed to move prospects smoothly through the funnel from the beginning to the end. And in real life, that doesn't always happen. In real life, it kind of gets clogged up perhaps. And this is because there's one part of the sales funnel, or perhaps more than one part of the sales funnel, that's just not working properly. This week's giveaway is going to get into sales funnel optimization, and it's really going to help you to solve that problem. The giveaway includes the ebook. It also includes e-covers. It even includes a sales letter as well as resale rights. And resale rights, what that means to you is that you not only can use it for your personal use, for your personal benefit, you can also use it as an incentive. So if you want to use it as a giveaway, for example, to build your list, you can do that. You can even resell it and keep the money. The URL for the download page is https://Cutley/funnel-guide. FUNNEL-GUIDE. If you like this video, I certainly hope you do. If you got some value from it, give it a thumbs up if you would. I'd appreciate that. Do that right now. Hit that like button, and then if you haven't subscribed, consider hitting that subscribe button as well so you're not going to miss these videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. Allow me to wish you much success, and I'll see you in the next video.